Hello guys, my name is Kaffabo and today I show you how to play Minecraft for free with Windows 10. But first, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Let's go! So first, go to Microsoft Store. Then search Minecraft. And then choose that will have a free trial version. And now download it and install it. Then you are ready to start. Just launch it. And there we go guys. Here you can make a new survivor mode world. But remember, because this is trial version, you have 90 minutes to play this game, but there we go, there you can enjoy the full Minecraft experience. Awesome, but what about when time runs out? Can I continue playing? And the answer is yes, you can. You just need to delete Minecraft, and then if you download it again, you can install it again, and you can start the time to over. So guys, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and bye bye.
Baby, I don't feel so good. 6 words you never understood. I'll never let you go.